guys, what's up guys, welcome back to BeingKwame. As you guys can see, I am cutting chicken breast, and you guys might be wondering why am I cutting chicken breast. So I'm here starting to make BeingKwame pasta. So guys, my BeingKwame pasta is made of pasta, of course, and chicken. Basically, that's it. So I'm here stirring up the chicken with browning, seasoning just to give the chicken its color. So I'm going to be putting this away, and I'm going to be cutting up the seasoning. So guys, this is the scallion, and this is the sweet pepper. These are normally kept in the freezer. So in this process, we have to make sure that these seasonings are cut up small, like these two. So we have to cut the onions really small, really small. Just about like this small. So somewhere there. So now we have the tomato. We're gonna dice it first. Take off this part. Okay, so we have the plantain here. I like to cut my ingredients and put them on place until I'm ready to, and yeah, and we also have color right here. I'm gonna show you what I'm going to do with that later. Okay guys, so I'm going to get the pasta started. Just putting water in here. Okay, so time to put some seasonings in. So put some onion in there, save some for last, for the oil. Put all of this in. Also the sweet pepper. Some more onion. You can leave that for the oil. Okay, we can leave this for the oil. Tomato, this goes last, and the plantain goes in just before the tomato. So just so hard to stir. Okay guys, I guess we have to switch for another container because trying to mix but very hard, so I'm using this. Much better. is much better. Mixing is so much easier. And we're going to be also using these seasonings. So we have the cilantro. So that we have the basil. Okay. And we have the parsley flakes. So guys, you have to put some of the seasoning in the pasta pot. Just guys, so we're just waiting for it to boil up until we can put the pasta in. All right, see you later. Okay guys, so the water is boiling up. So, pasta time. Guys, look. You guys can see some bubbles. So, some of you guys might be wondering what are these pots for. So this is for the chicken breast and this is for the callaloo. Okay guys, one thing about pasta, occasionally you have to be stirring, don't make it stick. So you guys might be wondering, how do you know when the pasta is ready? Well, I'll show you guys a little later. And well, some people like when the pasta is soft, not really soft, but I like when it's soft. Okay guys, so we're gonna test if the pasta is ready. So over here. So as you guys can see, the dinner is ready. It's tender. You guys see? That's when you know it's ready. So this is ready. Now moving on to this. Wanna know how it's ready? Same thing. try this one. Same thing, tender. See? So, delicious. So, these two are ready, and also the calorie. So we can turn this off. Yep. So guys, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna drain the pasta and the chicken because we don't want, all the seasonings in the food and the water. Okay guys, I'm gonna be preparing the sauce. So what we have here, Alfredo sauce. Gotta shake it. Okay guys, so we're just gonna wait until this boil up, and then we're gonna put the pasta and add the ingredients. Okay guys, here we have some cheese called mozzarella natural cheese. So pick up some. Okay guys, so finally the BeingKwame pasta is finished, and so I'm gonna taste it. Delicious. 10 out of 10. The best way to serve this is something that is not sweet, similar to water. Coconut water. Refreshing. So guys, that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you will get notified every time when I post a video. Bye.